What's its name again? What?
Brucey.
Brucey! Brucey! Don't have to do the music. Oh, baby. He's your little Brucey. He loves it. I'm making a YouTube video. Oh, you got it all wrapped up? You wanna fix it? I can fix it for you. Okay, you fixed it yourself. Now what game are you playing? This is a cat set. You're so cute, boy. I mean, girl. Yeah, I know. It's a girl. You're the cutest dog ever. It's a little Rottweiler puppy, and he's adorable. Too cute to handle.